This is the story of how the birds got their colours. Long, long time ago, in the dream time, when the land and animals were being made, all the birds were only one colour: black. The doves were black. The pigeon was black. The robins were black. The parrot was black. And the crows were all black. One day, a little dove flew around looking for food. He flew down to the ground to catch a big, juicy grub. But instead, he landed on a sharp rock. It pierced his little foot and made him very sick. For days he laid on the ground in pain. His foot swelled up and he was dying. All of his mates gathered around to see how they could help. All of them except for the crow. Crow was annoyed at all the noise and decided to watch from afar. Suddenly, the parrot rushed forward and with her sharp beak, she burst the dove's swollen foot. Colours splashed out all over the parrot. Red, green and blue ran down her chest, wings and tail. It splashed out all over the other birds. Some got spots and some got stripes. All got colours, all except for Crow, who was standing away from the others. As soon as the dove got better, he thanked the parrot and was able to fly away. So that's how the birds got their colours. The end.